Welcome back. Welcome to JoJo's farm. If this is your first time of watching our video, please do us favor to subscribe to our channel. If you've been watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the notification so that anytime we share anything, you'll be the first to know. And all our return subscribers, we say thank you for watching our video. If you've been following us in our past video, you realize that we took a visit to the farm. And whilst we visiting the farm, all work and no play makes Jacks a dull boy. So we took a stroll looking for a quiet place to sit, relax ourselves, and take plans for the next move. It is always very important that when you work hard, you need to take a break and check what's up with you. Yes, it's been a hard work and a hard routine, going ups and down, trying to find out what will best feed us whilst we are down there in Africa. Going into Africa or visiting Africa is something that everyone in the diaspora would love to experience, to see the next investment, adventure, relaxation, rest. You can name them. But you see, when you look at the ocean, there's one thing that comes into mind. That even the people that are over there, they are searching hard for money, working hard for money. That is one thing that we have to understand, that without a hard work, money will not come easily. If we really want to see the money, everybody is talking about investment in Africa. But if you don't take care, you might put your money somewhere you don't want it to be. That is why sometimes it's very important for you to go down there and see what's up. Go down there and see what you can do. Go down there and then experience the earth yourself and then know your next move. It is not that easy as is being said on YouTube and here and there. It's not. There are many that has gone to invest and it hasn't ended them well. There are many that has put in their money somewhere and they've seen the returns. No two ways about it. That it is always good to. So, go down yourself and then see things for yourself. So, as we visited a farm in our previous video, we decided to sit back and look at what best we can do. And the best place that we decided to rest is at the beach. Man, the beach was a very refreshing place to be. It was so quiet, so refreshing, and the sea breeze was something else. Rather, sometimes when you hustle in the city, the business area, all day, just take a break at the seaside. When we were young, we used to see people sitting at the Sakumono beach at the end of the day, working time, and you wonder what are they doing there. but it is very refreshing to be sitting out there, gazing the waves and thinking about creation and how wonderful God is. And by so doing, there are things that hit your mind that will beat your imagination. It was a very nice, refreshing, cool to be quiet and very enjoyable. And I look around and saw a lot of people that were down there to relax themselves and be eating and chilling. And I was like, wow, what kind of life is this? Brethren in the diaspora, you might work and work. You take a vacation 2 weeks, 3 weeks, go to Florida, California, Los Angeles, Las Palmas, name them. Wherever you go, you come back to the deep. It's the same way, like going to Africa, you come back to the same business. And sometimes you think about it and it's like, what are you doing? Why are you here? Is it not enough? But there's one thing that you have to understand, that in every life, if anything you want to do, you have to do it now. Because tomorrow will not wait for you. Time is not for everybody. Time comes in a period and it goes away like the air. So whenever you get opportunity, seize it to do whatever you want to do. It is amazing how time flies. Brethren, if you go back there, back home, and you see what people are doing, you will be amazed. And sometimes you think you are wasting time here. And it is true. Start something. Do something. Whatever you think. Back there, right now, the things that are going on is farming and food business. Restaurants, farming, restaurants. Picture somewhere, put your money into it, and start something. If you start in the night, time will not wait for you. The daylight will come. If you start in the morning, remember the night will catch you up. Whatever it is, there's one thing that you have to remember. That tide and time wait for no man. Guys, this is just by the way. There are plans in place concerning the farm. And as I told you, we started small and we are moving little by little. But very soon, we will lay our plans down and seek your advice, your concern. God richly bless you. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification button. Thank you all once again, and God richly bless you. Bye. And stay safe. Watch out for the next video coming soon.